Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your watch history on your YouTube application on your Amazon Fire TV or just your TV in general. So here's the YouTube application. I'm going to select this. Now on the left side of the screen, let's scroll all the way down to Library. Then go to the right, and at the top you can see History. So this is my watch history so far on my account. I was watching Johnny Bravo Gets the Girl, which doesn't happen very often for him. So we can watch the video again. And this is just one video. I haven't watched a lot of videos on my account, but I can go up to clear all and I can erase and delete my watch history right here. Then I can go down to my videos that I've made, my watch later. So if you went to a video and you saved it, then your movies and TVs, and then all the playlists I have created and liked in the past. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.